students, good morning. Once again I welcome you class 6 English. Now we already know that I completed my chapter 9. It means textual part is over. The remaining part is grammar, right? And we all know that this is our PA2 syllabus is going on. Now student, in this lesson I give you the information about the Indian spirit, right? Which it means the customs, the cultures, the traditions, right? The followed by the people and the different, and even they are making the records at the level of the world. So here the grammar topic is article. Now we all know that there are three articles, a, and the, right? A and the. Now students, in your worksheet, right, in grammar exercise I give you the descriptions, right, the detailed lot of the grammar. It means this chapter, articles chapter I give a note in your worksheet, so you can check it. Now see here, article means what? It is the one type of determiners. Now determiners, it is your it is the one part in which possessives, articles, these are some things are used, right? Now the term determiner covers several classes of the words, which includes definite, indefinite article, demonstrative, adjectives of indefinite number and quantity, numerals and possessives, right? These are the things it is included. Now here they also specify a various ways by making indefinite, indefinite, or by indicating quantity or amount. But here in this chapter I will teach you articles. Now there are two types of articles: definite and indefinite. There are two kinds of articles, definite and indefinite. Now we all know that which are the definite and which are the indefinite. Now definite article is only one, that is the, while indefinite article there are two, a and n. See this, these are the points, a and n. Now we can use a article with countable noun, right, with countable nouns which starts with sound, consonant sound, which starts with consonant sound. That time we are using a article. Consonant sound, it means there are 21 consonant in our English language, right? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z, right? So there are consonant sound, these are the consonant. While N, same that we can use with the countable nouns, which use with the countable noun which starts with vowel sound. Which sound? Vowel sound. It means A, E, I, O and U. These are the sounds are vowel sound. So we can use with countable noun which start with vowel sound. Now you have a doubt, sir, which are the examples? So a ball, a cat, a dog, a fish, right? Say this thing: a car, a man, See this. This is your examples of article A. See, this is your examples of article A, which all the sounds, see that B, C, D, F, C, and men, M. These all sounds are consonant sound. It means the words begin, right? These words begin with consonant sound. That's why I use article A with these examples, right? Here, so which are an apple, and an apple, an egg, an umbrella, right? So say U, E, A, then another words, an ice cream, right? See this, I. So these are the sounds, right? Which start with an orange. So students, I will write with the big letter so you can read properly. So here, an apple, right? And egg, and umbrella, and orange. See this, O, U, E, A. These are the words which is started with, which starts with vowel sound. That's why I use article and with them. Now students, here one another rule for you, that the remaining portion, the, that I will teach you later on. But first of all, I will give you the information about in which time we are using article A and N. So here I make two parts. Your doubts are why you are making. So uses of A and uses of N. So foremost rule, we all know that which time we are using A. So first of all, common thing, that the words begin with the consonant sound. That time we can use article A. So words begin a word beginning with consonant sound, right? Consonant sound, so we all know that, as I already gave you the example also. Second word, which time, right? It is used before the word one that begins with the consonant sound, was, as, right? Sometimes what happen, a word, see that, one, but O is the pronunciation as a V, it means V. So one that begins with consonant sound. See that, as I told you that the word begin with O and E. Now O is a vowel sound, but the pronunciation of the O is a V. That's why we are not using N 1 rupee note, but we are use, for example, a 1 rupee note, right? So remember this thing, if the sound, whatever the words, if the sounds begin with vowel sound, but the pronunciation is a consonant sound, that time we have to use article A. Then third one, same way, the word, right, begin with U, but what sound is consonant? Sound is consonant. So that time we also use, for example, a useful animal, a university. See this thing? Understood? So U, but pronunciation is, it is U, but the sound Y is a what? Consonant sound. And with the Y we are not using article N. That's why I use article A. So students, here the use of A is over. Then comes article N. So for most rule, a word begin exactly. A word is beginning with vowels, right? A word is beginning with vowel. So we all know that example if you want. So an aeroplane, an elephant, right? An import. See this thing. Then comes, it is used before the words beginning with H, right? Suppose the word which starts with H, but this H is how? When it is silent. When it is silent. Now, example. An honest man. See, both the words beginning with H, but we are not using the hard. We are not saying the honest. We are not saying the honor, but the word is honor. Here are, here honest. We are not saying that honest, right? So here H is a silent. The word beginning with the consonant sound H, but the pronunciation is start with what? Vowel sound. Same way. Here see that the word beginning with the vowel sound, but the sound pronounced with the consonant sound. Same way here, the word beginning with what? Vowel sound. Consonant sound, but the pronunciation beginning with what? Vowel sound. That time we are also using what? Article N. Then here also some words. Here some words which starts with consonant but having vowel sound. See this thing, having vowel sound. So example, N, MP, see, M, the sound A, M, A, that's why N, MP. N F I R. See, F A, right? Then N M L A, again A M. If the full form, member of Legislative Assembly, that time A. Here first FIR, right? Then MP, member of parliament. That time he is a member of parliament. But if we want to say he is an MP of Indian Constitution, or we can say is that in MP of our government. So that time we are using N. But if you want to use the full form, what? Member of parliament, member of Legislative Assembly. That time we are using what? Article A. For example, X-ray. An X-ray. We are not X-ray. An X-ray, because the sound beginning what? A. And that's why we are using article N. So students, here this is the use of article A and N. If you have any doubt, you can read your note, so you can easily understand this thing. Pause. Now students, the last article is uses of the. So you have a doubt, sir, where we have to use the. So now it is used before a particular person or thing, right? Now it is used for what? Before, number one is before particular person or things. For example, which are the? So the students of this class are very punctual. Very punctual. See that the students, because they are using for the particular person, right? They are using for what? Particular person. Then another is let us go to the park, right? Another example is let us go to the park. So see that it is what? Again, right? The park. It is a one particular place. Then here also says what? It is denoted, it is used to denote a whole class or whole kind. The second one is denote. It is denote a whole class or kind. Example, the dog is a faithful animal. So here they are talking about what? Dog. Now not only they are talking about one dog, but whole community, whole class of the dog is very faithful, and that's why they are using this the article. Then another is what? For names of things unique of their kind. Now you have question, sir, what is meaning of unique? That in this word only one, it is a unique. For example, the sun shines in the sky. Is there any sun in this universe, in our galaxy? No, there is only one sun, and that's why it is a unique. Then the sun, the earth moves around the sun. See that earth is also unique. There is not another earth in our galaxy. That's why the earth is also unique. The moon is round today, right? So example, the sun, the earth, these are our examples. Now use for before, use for any direction, right? So for example, the east, the west, the north, and the south. See, it is used for what? Direction. Then here also says to before superlative degrees of any adjectives, and we all know that it is a common rule. If we are use any superlative degree of adjective, that time we have to use article the. For example, Ganga is the holiest river in India, right? The holiest, right? Then another example is Raman is the best boy in the class. Then comes also used before some oceans, rivers, gulf, seas, mountain ranges, and group of island. So here example, use before rivers, oceans, mountain, then group of island, groups of island. For example, the Ganga, right? It is a river, right? The Ganga, it is a river. Indian Ocean, sorry, the Indian Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Himalayas. See, these are the examples of the. It means we have to use before the name of the any river, any mountain range, any island, any oceans. That time we have to use what? Article the. Then here says that some it is used before the name of races or nations, right? Used before any races, right? Any races of or nations. For example, the Indian, right? The Indian. Then the English, right? So see that it is what? Nations. English, it is a nation. The English exploited the Indians. Now it means the Britishers, right? The Muslims, right? The Hindus. See, it is the races. Then comes, it is used before the name of the newspaper, religious book, famous building, shapes, historical events, right? That time we are also use what? This, the article. For example, we are not saying a Gujarat Samachar. Whatever the name of the newspaper, we say that the Gujarat Samachar, the Times of India, the Indian Express. Then any religion book, the Quran, the Bible, the Bhagavad Gita, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, famous building, the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar, the Meenakshi Temple, right? The Golden Temple. See that it is the famous building. Ships like the Titanic, right? The Titanic. Historical events. Which is the historical event? We have to use what? The Independence Day, right? We are saying this, the Independence. We are not saying that an Independence Day. The Independence Day, the Republic Day, right? That time we are using article the. Then comes proper nouns, material nouns, and abstract noun to make the common nouns. For example, Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. See that Kalidas is compared with whom? Shakespeare. That's why we have to use the Shakespeare, right? if we have to talk about only Shakespeare, if you want to talk about only Kalidas, that time it is the proper noun. But here what? The Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. It means Kalidas compare with whom? Shakespeare. Then he is the Tagore of Hindi poetry. Right? Someone is who write the poetry in Hindi, and he's compare, that poet compare with whom? Rabindranath Tagore. That's why the Tagore. Then the water of this well is fresh. See that? It is what? Material noun. Water. It is a material noun. And the gold. Same way it is a material noun. Then it is used before the musical instrument. For example, the harmonium, the violin, the flute. These are the name of the what we can say is that instrument. It is used before the invention, the telephone, the steam engine, right? The television, the radio, the computer, the mobile phone. See this, it is the invention. And it is used before the political parties, for example, the BJP, the Shiv Sena, the Bhajpa. See, this is the political party. Now students, here there is a common rule in which time we are not use the article, right? Which time we are not use the article. If we can say it's a omission of article. What we say is it is the omission of article, or we can say is that zero article also. Zero or omission of articles. So, in which part we are not using article? So, number one is for proper noun. Right? Remember students, the things which we make the plural, right? The things, the name which we make the plural, only and only those things we have to use articles. Rest of we are not using articles. For example, how? Proper noun. Kolkata. Is there any Kolkata in this world? No. If there is a Kolkata, what? Kolkatas. Right? Mumbai's, Gujarat's. So if there is another name of that state, but here only one Kolkata. Then India. Is there any India in this world? Only one India. If there is an India, so India's. Right? If there are plural form, so India's. Then Mount Everest. Is there any Mount Everest in this world? No. That's why we are not using article right before the name of the proper noun. Then arts and science. Arts and science. So see how. For example, science, then painting, English. It is the name of the subject. It is your likes. It is your art. Dancing. See, we are not using article with them. Then names of materials. Names of materials. Which are the materials? So, gold. Then sari. For example, gold is costly. If in the middle of the sentence, that time we are using what? We have to using that what? It is the common noun. That time when we have to use a common noun, that time we have to use article the. But if we want to talk particular about whom? Material. That time we are not using article, any articles. Then note by we say, for example, by we say sometimes what says that the tea of Assam is very popular. Why? Because it is the famous for and it is a famous from the Assam. That's why we are using the tea is very famous. For example, do you like coffee or a tea? right? That time we have to use coffee and tea. But when we talk about particular place with that things, that time we have to use article. So here also says that. And last one is abstract noun used in general sense. Now abstract noun is used in general sense, it means which. Abstract nouns used in general sense. For example, honesty is the best policy. See what? Honesty is the best policy. Now see that. Honesty is your abstract noun. It is in, we are talking about general sense. That's why we are not using what? Any article. So students, here are portion, article, grammar portion is over, right? You can read your note, you can understand easily, and it is very simplest language. And then after you have a doubt, you can ask me, students. Thank you.